Today I'm going to be doing the cabin air filter on a Ford Edge. This guy is right behind the glove box, so let's go ahead and open this up. Press that. The first thing we have to do is remove this damper arm. So you pull up and then out. You can see that clip hole there. Then we have a clip here and here. We're going to push those in. Push up here, and then you got to switch over to here and push this one. You can do them at the same time. That is what's needed. They do not want to release at the same time. There we go. So that just drops down. Then we get into here and we have a tab over here. You have to press this, flex this tab in and pull this guy right here. So that pulls, and then do the same thing on this side. Flex this tab in. That drops down. There are hinges there, so make sure you hinge it down. Then it's really important, the airflow is down. Sometimes the filter markings can be confusing because it will either it'll tell you to point the filter up, but the airflow is down, or vice versa, but the airflow for this is down. So just be aware sometimes that is. Another indicator of which side is the right side is, see all the dirt? That's what the filter's blocking. So if there's a ton of dirt in here, then that is all the stuff from outside that you don't want inside. So we're gonna pop this out. I'll have a link in the description for this filter, but we pop that guy out, slides right out. We slide that in. Then when you flip this up, this just, you kind of have to flex these out. It's all plastic, so you don't want to do anything crazy, but yeah, it'll push right in there. Push right in there. Then we make sure that our little arm is out of the way as we push this in, and all you have to do is push that into place. Then we're gonna reconnect our arm here. Find the spot, push down, you'll hear it click, boom. And that is how you do a cabin air filter in a Ford Edge. This is a 2023 model, but this works for 2019 all the way to 2024. If this was helpful, give a thumbs up. We'll see you next time.